And we have another one. 1975 Pontiac Ville Brougham Convertible. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and bows, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Paint is in driver quality condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. She has the 455 cubic inch 7.5-liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic. Interior is in good condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks, power seats. Back seat. Convertible top functions as you should. Mileage reads a little over 38,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the 455 cubic inch 7.5-liter V8, backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go over and visit rollingmuseums.com. We have over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below.